Stop stressing over gifts for your partner. I've got 10 romantic ideas that are all under $100. Let's make this day unforgettable without breaking the bank. First up, a customized star map. Imagine a map of the night sky from the exact day you first met. This one's around $50, $60 and is literally out of this world. Next, a DIY memory jar. Fill it with handwritten notes and tiny trinkets that represent your relationship. Costs under $20 but is priceless in sentiment. How about a couple's spa kit? Essential oils, candles, and massage tools make for a cozy, romantic night in, all for under $100. And for the artsy couples, a custom illustrated portrait is a unique and personal gift, usually under $100. Lastly, personalized jewelry like a necklace with your initials is both stylish and sentimental. There you have it. 10 amazing Valentine's Day gifts that show love doesn't need to be expensive. Happy Valentine's Day!